Hello everyone, welcome to class 3, subject maths, lesson number 6, coins and currency, notes part 2. In part 1, we learn about different types of coins which we use in our day-to-day life. That is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee coins. And we also learn about notes like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 500 rupees notes. These notes we use in our day-to-day life for buying and selling of goods. In this part we are also going to learn the more concept related to coins and currency notes. Here is some pictures of notes given. We just have to count how much notes they are. The first it is 2 notes of 10. So when you count them, 10 plus 10 answer is 20. Then second is 2 notes of 10 and 2 coins of 1 rupee each. So altogether when you count, that is 10 plus 10 gives you 20 and 2 coins of 1 rupee is 2 rupees. 2. So altogether when you add, you are getting answer as 22 rupees. Then the third is 10 rupee note, 2 coins of 1 rupee each. So altogether when you add, you are getting answer as 10 plus 2 equals to 12 rupees. Then the other one is there are 4 notes of 10. So altogether when you add, you are getting answer as rupees 40. Count and tell the amount in each box. Here the first one is 10 rupees. 10 rupees coins. And how many coins are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 coins of 10 rupees. And when you count them, you're getting answer as how much? Rupees 60. Then second one is 1 rupee coins are there. And how many coins are those? 6 coins are there. So altogether when you count, you're getting as 6 rupees. Third one is 5 rupee coins are there. And altogether how many coins are those? If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 coins of 5 rupees. So if you multiply them, you're getting answer as how much? 7 5s are 35. So altogether they are 35 rupees. Fourth one, there are 2 rupees coins. And how many are there? 8. 8 coins of 2 rupees each. So what will be the answer? If you calculate, you are getting answer as rupees 16. How you got 16? 2 8s are 16. So when you count totally, you are getting answer as 16 rupees. Write the total amount shown. Here the coins and notes are given. We just have to coin and get the correct answer. The first one is 5 rupees coin and 2 coins of 4 rupees. So all together we get answer as 9 rupees. Then second is 1 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. So all together we get answer as 11 rupees. Then 2 coins of 5 rupees and 2 coins of 2 rupees. So all together when we count, we get answer as 14 rupees. Then 3 coins of 2 rupee each and 2 coins of 1 rupee. Together when you count, you get answer as 8 rupees. Second question is, write the correct value inside each coin note so that the total value is the same as that given. Now here the notes are given and the first note is 20 rupees. So if you just get the value, then what value you are getting? 1 10 rupee note and 2 5 rupees. Together the value becomes 20. Second is 10 rupee note. So what change you can give or what the value you can get, that is 5 rupee coin or 5 rupee note, 2 rupee, 2 notes, 2 coins of 2 rupee and 1 coin of 1 rupee. Then 5 rupee note, how many coins you will give? 2 coins of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupee. Together you will get answer as 5 rupee each. Here Lucy is shopping for toys. She has notes and coins with her in her purse. She has notes of rupees 50, rupees 20 and coins of rupees 5 and rupees 2. Help Lucy find out how many of each of these notes or coins she must give to the shopkeeper to buy each of these toys. So how much notes she is having? She is having notes of 50 rupees, 20 rupees and coins of 5 rupees and 2 rupees. So we will help her to just shop for the things she wanted. The first one is the flower pot and the price is given as rupees 70. So how much she has to pay to the shopkeeper? She will give notes of 50 rupee and other note of 20. So altogether it becomes 70 rupees. Other item is flower vase and the price is 25 rupees. So how much money she will give? She will give note of 20 rupee and coin of 5 rupees. So altogether the answer becomes 25 rupees. Third item is about the lunch box and the price is how much given? Rupees 27. And how much money she has to give now? She will pay amount rupees 20, that is 20 rupees note plus 5 rupee coin and 2 rupees coin. So altogether the answer becomes rupees 27 in all. Fill in the boxes. Here you can see there are some pictures given and some amount also given. Let's see what we have to do here. Price of the item. The first is chips and the cost of chip is 5 rupees. But the amount paid is how much rupees? How much amount is given to the shopkeeper? 10 rupees. So how much money how much money change will be given back to us? If you are giving 10 rupees, then how much money back you will get? Rupees 5, because chips are 5 rupees. The hat is of how many rupees? 15 rupees. And how much amount is being paid over here? You can see 2 notes of 10 rupees. That means 20 rupees. So how much money you will get back? 5 rupees, because the cost of the hat is 15 rupees. So you'll get back how many rupees? 5 rupees. Then the cost of biscuits is 10 rupees. But the amount paid is how much? 20 rupees. So how much money you will get? 10 rupees back, because the amount of biscuit is 10 rupees and you have paid 20 rupees. Then the ice cream is of 8 rupees. And how much money is being paid? 10 rupees. So how much change you will get back? Rupees 2. Then again the noodles are of 12 rupees. And how much rupees are paid? 15 rupees. So how much altogether, what change you will get back is rupees 3. I hope you have understood the more and extra examples related to coins and currency notes. Thank you.